We are established some 15 years ago, and we are based in Kano. We are involved in the entire dairy value chain, from production through processing to marketing. What it means is we cut across upstream, midstream, and downstream. We produce our own milk from our own cows that are crossbred in the last 10 to 15 years. We are at the F5 generation of Frisian bloodline. And currently we are doing about 8 to 9 liters per cow per yield in 2 milk sessions. We've also extended our sourcing of milk to pastoralist communities, where we organize them into cooperatives. And then we establish milk collection centers in their communities, where we go every morning to evacuate milk to our facility. In this process, we collaborated with some development partners that assist us in establishing source of water to the communities, to make it easy for them to become sedentary, to enable us collect milk easily. And then also they supported us in giving the communities milk canisters that will make the milk to be in a very hygienic condition.
Ai abubuwan ba su da iyaka. Mu na ga maka sai dai godiya ga Allah da kuma kamfanin da shi mai gida MD da kamfanin shi L&Z da sauran ku abokan tahiyar shi. Ba za ka haɗa da yanzu ba. Da mun yi tatsa mun mayar nono sai an sha wahalar a ƙone itace a dafa a sake a yi mata aikace-aikace daban-daban sannan a ɗauka a tafi kasuwa kuma ma ba ta da tabbas. Amma yanzu da an tatso sai kamfani, kaga an samu ci gaba wajen sauƙin kashe kuɗin tafiya sai da ita, an samu ci gaba wajen kashe kuɗin ma sarrafa ta. Duk yanzu madadin kuɗin da za mu sai ice mu a ɓata lokaci a hau mota a ina yanzu duka ya zama mai sauki. Ana yin ta, ana tatso ta babur kawai za mu buga sai kamfani. Kaga kowanne ci gaban kudin ka ɗauka ba ƙaramin ci gaba bane. Yan kudunta da yanzu kaga alhamdulillah. Sannan ga ita kanta samun shi a kasuwa mai tabbas da kuma daraja. Wannan babban abin jin daɗi ne, babban ci gaba ne.
We also help them with sponsorship for their child education, right from primary level up to the university level.
Before, I am not able to go to school because I have not money to go to school. L&Z support me to go to school. I am very happy. If L&Z support me to continue with my study up to university level, I want to study gynecology because I want to help my rural women when giving back to their young ones.
In process audit, you monitor compliance to all set standards, both food safety, good manufacturing practices, to ensure that the products are produced in a safe and hygienic environment. Even the people handling it are well kitted. The equipment that the surface contact that it will come in contact with are clean, and the work environment is also fit for processing of milk.
Our milk products are coming from the highest quality of source you can think of. You are sure this is 100% natural. You are sure this is a Nigerian source. You can always come and trace the source of your food. In these days of situations where people have to be careful of what they take, I think I will not be wrong if I said that L&Z has been able to provide that opportunity to Nigerians, and some of us that are very health conscious and are educated enough to know the difference between a good milk and a bad milk have made their choices, and it's very clear L&Z is the first choice in this direction. Our vision is very clear. We intend to process up to 20,000 liters of raw milk in our facilities by 2020.
With current focus on the dairy sector and restrictions on import of powder milk, we see a big potential, not just in terms of market, but also in terms of job creation, because dairy sector will need thousands of personnel at every point in the value chain.